Oh, why is it like this? There, it was on the wrong view. Hi, guys. It was showing you, honey.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so anyway, I just had to rust some things, and I just thought I would just set it out here and show you guys really quick because that's what I was doing. So I got these rings off eBay, and then Stacy sent me some charms. So I was just going to rust them really quick because I'm going to use a 3-ring binder. And so anyway, you need a glass jar with a lid, and you need some salt. And I'm just doing the vinegar and peroxide. I know there's a million videos, but, you know, that's just the way it is, so that's what I'm doing. So, you just put your charms in, and then pour your vinegar over it, just enough to cover up your charms. That's all the vinegar you use. And then I have my vinegar and my peroxide in squirt bottles because, I mean, it's a household cleaner, you know. I use it for everything, and so it works really good on, peroxide works really good on glass. I'm just saying. Hi! I'm rusting stuff, and I've never done it before. So I just wanted to share what I'm doing, you know. I watched a million videos, and so, you know, now I'm going to just tape what happens to me. You know what I mean? Because I've never done it, so I don't really have a clue. But I'm doing it. So I put in my charms, and I put vinegar over the top of it, and then I just threw in some peroxide, like, I don't know. I mean, it depends on how much you have in your cup, you know, of charms and what you're doing. So, I mean, you don't have to put a lot, you know, but, like, I have this much vinegar, and so then I put in, like, a half a cup of peroxide or something. I don't know. You know, I just dumped it in. But the magic is the salt. And I put it in, and then you just swish it all up, you know. But, you know, you go back to it like an hour later or something, it should be turning color and stuff. And I mean, it was, but it wasn't like a lot. So I added more salt. And then all I have is this pink Himalayan salt. Like, it's not table salt. So I really don't know. I mean, does that make a difference? I really don't know. I really don't know, but that's all I have. So that's what I'm using. And so I did all that. Okay. And so now you just swish it around and swish it around, and then you get this yuck. I don't know. Is this how you do it, Lori? I don't know, but it's all black and gross, and there's like metal floating around, so I don't think it rusted. I think it took off like the whole finish. I don't know, but I'm scared. So anyways, what I'm going to do is... Okay, move, bud. You got to move. So I'm going to go dump this out, and then we'll see what the charms look like, okay? Because I didn't want to have it sitting here and dumping it out while I'm sitting here, you know what I mean? At my table, because I don't get internet in my kitchen right now. It's cloudy and raining in Seattle. Okay, so let me dump this out. Okay. I dumped it into a strainer. And now I just have a paper plate and paper towel. And I don't know, we'll see what it looks like. It looks like it took the finish right off of my rings. Like, I don't know. I mean, it did. It took it right off. There's nothing left, so it's not rust. Actually, it's, I don't know, whatever's underneath there. So I don't know if I like that too much. So maybe it was, like, too strong for that kind of metal. I really don't know. Now I wish I only would have done a couple. Because it fell right off. Okay, so it doesn't do good on the rings, or at least I don't like it. Yeah, it took it right off. Okay, so these, it's rusting and stuff, and now that the air is hitting it, it's going to oxidize it like even more. So I'm going to just leave it out here, and then I'll come back to it in a little while, and I'll show you what it looks like. But it definitely rusted. It took the finish right off of everything. Holy buckets. I don't know how you guys do it, but we'll see. I don't know if I like this way or not. Because, you know, it's supposed to be real easy, but I don't know if I'm liking the way it looks. So we'll see. I'll check back, and I will splice it together, the end of this, and then you can watch the playback and see the end. And what if it dries, if it looks any different, I don't know. But we'll see. Okay. Thanks for stopping in for my experiment. I'm gonna probably go live after a little while here. Probably, I don't know, in a couple hours here. I'm getting some stuff together. So thanks for stopping. Bye.